Hi, now I am going to take the topic about how the InfiniBand network interconnect is designing in the high performance computing cluster. Before that, I want to just give the intro about what is InfiniBand and what are the InfiniBand switches are there in the market. There are two major manufacturing companies, Mellanox Technology and QLogic. They are providing InfiniBand switches. They are providing InfiniBand switches in the various type. It will vary depends on the number of ports and size, power consumption and speed. For example, the number of ports 32 ports, 36 ports, 144 ports or 648 ports, and their size it may vary 5U, 6U, 29U, and their speed it is vary depends on that we are customer choosing their speed. Single data rate it come along with 10 gigabits per second, and DDR double data rate it come along with 20 gigabits per second. QDR quad data rate it come with 40 gigabits per second. FDR 14 data rate it come with 56 gigabits per second. If customer wants to build a small cluster with the 32 node, then just customer just then they can purchase 32-bit InfiniBand switch and they can go ahead. There is no need to build any factory topology. But in case customer wants to build a 1000 node cluster or 2000 node cluster, in that case that manufacturing Mellanox or QLogic they are not providing any that much level InfiniBand switch. In that case we need to design the factory InfiniBand interconnect. Before that I will explain what is factory. This is the factory structure. Here you can consider circle as the switch and rectangle as the server. This is the factory definition. Number of links going down to its sibling is equal to the number of links going up to its parent in the upper level. In this case, in this server it has a 2 sibling. Number of downlink is 2 plus 2 4. Number of uplink is 4. So number of uplink and downlink is both the same. So it is the factory. Okay. But while applying this factory into the real case, it is slightly different. This slightly different. This InfiniBand factory topology is looking like this. It look similar to this, and while applying factory into the InfiniBand, it is slightly differ compared to that real environment. The difference with the original factory is the intermediate switch has a several parents. For example, in this case, edge switch has a two parents, 1 and 2, but actual factory has only one parents. That is the main difference. So due to that, this concept in this network is called closed network.